Hey everybody, welcome to the Stock Zone. Hope everyone's having a great weekend. In this video, I want to discuss NIO to give a little bit of an analysis and discuss where I see this stock going in its run up to NIO Day, which is actually really close. The date is approaching, guys. Now, before we get into it, I just want to thank everyone who's here joining us for this video. I myself have been investing in stocks for a few years now, and I've done pretty well for myself. I want to now share with you guys a little bit about my process and how I conduct research on stocks and ultimately how I arrive at my decision whether I purchase a stock or I give it a pass. Hopefully some new investors or old alike can find the information I share useful. I am not a licensed stockbroker. I simply do my own research and share it with you guys. It's up to you to make that final decision before investing your money. With that being said, I do want to mention that any stock I share here will be a stock that I myself have invested in as well. Very soon I'll be putting together a portfolio that I will share with you guys, and I'll be giving updates on any additions I make to said portfolio or any stock that I might be cutting as well. Now let's get into today's video. Today we are here to talk about NIO's upcoming event, which has been dubbed NIO Day. It's being held on January 9th, and the two main things everyone is expecting is for NIO to reveal a new sedan and some interesting new battery technology. Now the sedan is expected to come with a new, sleeker design comparable to that of an A7 Audi. Now, in my opinion, the battery is actually what's going to stimulate the stock price and give it a good boost. The upgraded technology in this 150 kilowatt battery now allows the vehicles to run a total distance of about 900 kilometers. These upgraded battery packs will also be compatible with all existing NIO models. Given the run up to January 9th, it seems to me like the average investor is pretty bullish on the stock right now. We hit an all-time high of 57 back on November 3rd, and currently we're sitting at $48.98 going into Monday. That's up from a low point of about $43 just a few days before the end of the year. Now guys, with a stock like this and how it's performed in the past, I fully expect it to reach its previous high of 57, easy. The only question is, will it go past 57? And in my opinion, it definitely will. I think the EV market is only going to continue to grow here in the US and abroad, Asia. We have laws being passed where already by the year 2035, in certain places, you won't even be able to purchase a gas-powered vehicle anymore. European nations are also passing similar laws. It's pretty much a no-brainer that the EVs will be a sector that sees massive growth in the years to come. Now, to get a better understanding of NIO's overall future, I did a little bit of research on its potential in the European market. German news site ADAC praised NIO for its quality and price point. It certainly weighs less on potential buyers' pockets than, say, an Audi or an electric BMW. Also mentioned in the article was the superior distance capabilities of NIO's new battery pack. For example, a new German Volkswagen electric vehicle has a range of about 220 kilometers, which isn't very comparable to NIO's 900 kilometer range. NIO clearly taking a win right there. Another catalyst that I see spurring an increase in share value is also the recent buy rating given by analysts over at Bank of America. Apart from the buy rating, they also increased their price target to $59 to what I believe was $54 and some change, so a nice little $5 increase. It's a very good thing as the markets generally have reacted really, really well to any price upgrades given to NIO stock. So overall, guys, I'd like to say it's looking good for NIO right now. Sentiment is positive all around, and unless some catastrophe happens, I see NIO continuing to cruise to its previous highs of $55 to $57, where I think it will be met by some resistance. However, I'm going to continue to hold tight if we do see some resistance of that sort, and this is because it'll probably be a simple market correction. And after I do feel we will see a sharp rise, especially with these catalysts that I just mentioned. I would expect NIO to bounce back if there was a correction like I just mentioned, and I do think that we might see it reaching new highs of around $75. That's my target price right now for the stock. I believe with NIO Day, we'll see added investor interest and some increased price targets from banks and analysts. The incoming Biden administration could also be another positive factor. We should definitely see some more support for the clean energy sector coming from them. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's looking good for NIO right now. I'm going to hold tight on it and I'm going to ride it. Like I said, I think it's going to go up to $75. Once it gets to that point, I will reevaluate. But for right now, I'm all in, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you all think of this stock and where you think it's heading, especially with NIO Day coming up. Let me know with a comment below. And if you like the video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Take it easy, everyone. Have a good weekend.